Jellyfish are some of the most mysterious sea creatures, but do you know some glow in the dark? Others have deadly stings, and a few look like aliens from another planet. Get ready to see the weirdest jellyfish ever. Let's dive in. Japanese sea nettle. Upside down jellyfish. Fried egg jellyfish. Flower hat jellyfish. Atlantic sea nettle. Mediterranean jellyfish. Orange jellyfish. Green jellyfish. Blue box jellyfish. Purple strip jellyfish. Mauve stinger. Blue blubber jellyfish. Red jellyfish. Compass jellyfish. Purple jellyfish. Blue jellyfish. Pacific sea nettle. White sea nettle. Spotted jellyfish. Giant orange jellyfish. Blubber jellyfish. Box jellyfish. Pink jellyfish. Northern sea nettle. White spotted jellyfish. Crystal jellyfish. Black sea nettle. Moon jellyfish. Lion's mane jellyfish. Cannonball jellyfish. That was wild, but now let's shift gears. Ever seen the most powerful farming vehicle in action? From monster tractors to futuristic harvesters. You won't believe what's next. I'll see you there.